Hey, so you might have heard that joining various groups on social media might be a good way to do some networking and find prospects, find new team members, and find new customers. But what exactly should you be doing when you join groups? So I'll be talking about that in this video. Stick around. If we haven't met, my name is Edita. I'm from VIE now, and I'm dedicated to turning network marketers from prospectors into marketers who are proud and excited about what they are doing, because they're doing that without chasing, without cold messaging, without approaching people who don't know them and offering to look at their stuff, without living with hidden agenda, all that kind of stuff that actually feels very, very uncomfortable and makes us actually quit on our dreams, and we don't want that. So if we can't enjoy our business, we can't actually do it, and we can't teach it to others, right? So groups, joining groups, well, it's such a good thing to have social media, because joining groups around your niche, if you are leading with the product, or around network marketing itself, if you are leading with the opportunity because you need to choose one or the other, is a very powerful way to find new team members and new customers. But the problem is that a lot of people don't know how to do it. And I recently saw a post. Somebody was asking in one of such groups actually that he just keeps getting kicked out from the groups, by the admins, or either he doesn't get any results. Nobody is paying attention to what he is posting about. So the problem here is usually, and you might know that, you might have seen that if you are in network marketing specific groups, they are very, very spammy. Very spammy. A lot of people are just posting their links and their opportunities and just talking about stuff like how their opportunity is the best, and guess how many people do actually say exactly the same thing every single day. Like dozens, if not hundreds or thousands. But here's the good news. Because everyone else is doing this, and everyone else is doing a bad job, really, it's very easy to stand out by doing a better job. And the only thing is to know what to do, what to post. So if everyone else is not getting attention by, posting their links, or are getting kicked out from those groups, guess you need to do the opposite. So instead of pushing things, pushing your stuff, pushing your products, pushing your links, you need to learn how to attract people to you so they come to you. So for example, I when I joined one of the probably one of the most spammy groups, it was like a year ago. That group actually got shut down completely by Facebook because it was that spammy. But it was good for me because I was posting a completely different thing. I was actually helping people with advice how to do network marketing business better, differently. I was helping them. Now, if you are leading with a product, if you join health and wellness groups or travel groups or trading groups or whatever your business is, help them with the information in your niche. So when I joined that group, the spammy one, it took very, very, very short time to start getting people connecting with me, dozens of people connecting with me every single day, because they were seeing my posts that were value posts, that were helpful posts, that were giving them aha moments, tips. And it wasn't always just posts. Sometimes somebody would ask a question, I would answer or comment on other people's comments, and people started connecting with me like crazy. So nobody is connecting with people over links. Nobody is connecting with people because the only reason they might connect with you if you post your link all over the place is because they have their own agenda and they want to push their own stuff to you, which happens a lot. You know, they connect with you and they start sending you stuff. So the good news is that it's very easy to stand out in these kind of groups. And if you are leading with a product, it's very easy because you know a lot about your niche, you know, about the topic, and those topics are everywhere, and it doesn't have to be directly about your specific products, but it's something around it. You know, if you're leading with your products in health and wellness, just give people tips and information and data and whatever in relation to how to lead a better lifestyle, a healthier lifestyle, exercising. There are endless opportunities for good content without having to send any links. You know, so people will start connecting, and you can start connecting with people as well if somebody comments on your post, or thanks you or whatever. It's a valid reason to send them a friend request as well. The only thing is that you need to remember not to hit them with your link straight away. You know, have a conversation, find out what they want, find out what their problems are, and then, you know, offer. But even then, you know, the better way is to say, can I share something with you? You know, once you discover that the person actually wants what you have. So, and also empathize with people. People really connect with you emotionally, which drives them to actually connect with you on Facebook when they see that you feel for them. So if you have a niche, for example, I don't know, busy moms lacking sleep, and you join a group of busy moms with lack of sleep and whatever, show how you feel them, show how you empathize with them, you know, and just provide information. It's not gonna be long before they will start connecting with you, you know. So it's a powerful tool if you do it the right way, and it's this kind of way is real marketing, and that's the only way to actually have a solid, you know, long-term success, really. And the consequences of posting your link all over the place can be even worse than just getting kicked out from the group. Facebook can shut you down, your account down, you know. So you completely don't want that, because, or not only Facebook, other platforms as well, they have requirements. All the platforms have policies, and you don't want to lose that, because it's a powerful tool. It's the most powerful. All the most successful entrepreneurs, and I'm following many of them, started repeating recently all the time: social media is king for marketing at the moment. Used to be Google, now it's social media. So you definitely don't want to be shut down, you know, risk your business, risk your success, your dreams, and so on. So anyway, I hope you got value out of this video. Let me know what you think, and thanks very much for watching. I'm so glad. I don't know why it's already Thursday, weekend is just here, and even though, you know, I'm at home all the time, but somehow it feels different. So So anyway, thanks very much for watching. And I have a video that explains what marketers, the process, what marketers use. All of them, all of the successful marketers use that process, 3 steps to attract as opposed to push and actively sell and feel salesy, and build empires really. Everyone who has an empire uses this 3-step process. So you can find it at visnow.com/3 steps. And thanks again. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Enjoy your day. Bye now.